Good afternoon, you guys. How are you guys doing? Today's January 8, 2022. We have one more day till market opens, which is for me, it's on Monday. Today's Saturday. But I wanted to show you guys the strategy called ORBS, which is ORB, ORB strategy, otherwise known as the opening resistance breakout. Opening range breakout, my bad. But I use this one every day in the morning. This is daily for sure. I do use this. That's a fact. Like, I have been using ever since I knew about this strategy. I've been using it for intraday trading only, which is right at market opens for the first 2.5 hours. This strategy really works a lot, especially if you're a day trader. You could also use it in not even intraday, almost the whole day. It's just it actually works a lot better right at the open, or the first 2.5 hours. But let's get right to it. Let me show you guys how do I start this. First off, the opening range breakout strategy. It's you have to first choose, like, okay, what time frame you like using, which is I use the 1 minute and the 5 minute, but you could check out on the 5 minute, 15 minute, 30 minute time frame, 1 hour, just to make sure that it's a breakout strategy. So yeah, like, the way you get this is by using the opening range high and the opening range low. Like on right here on BA, this is the pre-market, or the shaded area. That's pre-market. Look, as you guys can see, it's in the 5 minute. So we're gonna find out, even though it's a little choppy right here, we want to get the range from the opening pre-market levels, which is right here. It looks really ugly, but you guys can see it. It's just chopping right there. These little dots. Actually, you guys can't see it now because of there's not the paid version of TradingView, but I'm pretty sure in the paid version you're able to see the wicks. But you guys see it right there, right? It's just blocking here. So we could put a horizontal line. All right, we'll put one right there. Let's put a little solid line. There you go. That's the opening on this side, the top of the pre-market. Let's see the low. Let's find the low where it's resisting, somewhere around there, right? Okay, another one. So this is the opening range of the pre-market. Open range, and the low range. Put on top so it won't look retarded. All right, opening range, low range. So the way this works, it's by using that. As soon as it breaks out this strategy going to the upside, you go for calls. When it goes for the lower range, you go for puts. Just as this case, as soon as the morning open at 6:30, which we live in LA, 6:30 in the morning, it opens up. Look what happened. It broke out 212 and decided to just keep going up until it met a resistance, which obviously you need to start adding your lines, your levels. Pretty sure this is a level somewhere. There you go. There's a level at 215. You could take in trim, take profits, but this is just showing you how the ORB strategy works. Opening range and low. Also, you could use it, like as I was saying earlier, you could use the strategy even when you're trading regular hours, first 2 hours. Let's find the opening range, or another range to the top side, the high range, which was right here. Now we could switch this one to the lower range, which we find on lower wicks. Let's connect them all. This will be the lowest of all lows, low and high. So when you enter, when it breaks above the high range. Put this another color, man. Purple, whatever. There you go. You know what? Hold on. Let's do this right there. Yellow line. It broke out right here. And then the low, obviously, like how we said it in the morning earlier. How I said it earlier, my bad. It broke out. It didn't break the low range or the high, which is a high there. We put our level on the low here. You would have just waited to get in for a call or go long on the stock. All right, let's say you're going a little bit later. You could switch this one and find the high pivot, high range, high level, which is right at the 218.32. Now let's switch this one and let's go to the lowest, which was right there. See that? Another low. This whole section. This whole section. You could use this. Usually they use it for the. This strategy is used mostly for intraday, but I honestly it's been working for me. Even I don't do this all regularly. I just got used to it already, doing my with the EMAs and all the strategies. But you could use this, just finding the range, the high of the time frame, and the lowest, which is that's what I'm talking about, using the 5 minute, the 15 to 30, and the hour. Look how the opening range, the high point, and the low point. It broke down. It came back down, rejected right off the 216, and ended up going back to lower. Ended up going back to another level, which was where we had it at first. We could do this everywhere also, because now let's check. Let's delete everything that we have here. Remove everything out drawings. Let's choose another stock. Let's see Amazon. Let's say for Amazon, right? I love fucking playing Amazon. I look for good entries. There you go. So the opening range was still ugly. Like I said, I don't know why my charting here on TradingView looks retarded, but there you go. The opening range, the top of the pre-market, which was there. We see wicks rejecting, and it's also getting yesterday's range also, that it wasn't breaking out yesterday, but after pre-market it was there, right? So we're still focusing more on the opening range, the high of the pre-market and the low of the pre-market. There's another low here, so you will go into puts if it goes below the 43, like how I was saying, low range, low, and top, upper open range, high range. Oh shit, I can't even spell. High range. So it broke above the high, which is right there. We would have got it into calls or go long, but since it rejected similar, really close to this level, it rejected and it just went downhill after that. Look at that. You just have to wait for confirmation for the candle to close. There was a good, I don't even know how much was that, a $30 move right at the open. The first 5 minutes, $30 move. You would have finished your day right there. Look how it's rejecting your levels. Just even doing that, you could go to another day. Look right here also. Let's check. Opening, which is, this is really ugly. I don't know why it's not showing any wicks. The pre-market, remember, like I said, the shaded area is pre-market. Opening range. Look how it's easily rejecting levels. Right there made a huge wick. If you were in the 1 minute, if I switched to the 1 minute, it's probably filled up. It would have been a quick scalp or really a quick move right there from here to here. That was a $30, $15 move. Start rejecting. You're in the 5 minute, you would wait for it to close, and never closed. Same thing here. Look, if we made another wick, you would have waited a little longer. As soon as it went down, our range level, the lower range, is just straight downhill. Just didn't stop. And look at that. That was a huge move right here. This day on Amazon. Let's check another stock just so you guys can make sure that it works. AMD. I don't know why I keep using AMD. Man, let's just use a really ugly stock. One I don't like. Let's see. I used to lose a lot of money on. You know what? Let's just check UPS. UPS. Oh, you see that shit? That's ugly. I don't know why it's not showing me extended hours. Let's see another one. OBS. Yeah, this not showing me extended. MU also is not showing me extended. Well, there you go. Pre-market, little pre-market. But either way, intraday. I did say the first 2 hours. So we find our range, the high right there, and the low right here. We do not enter any trades until it goes below or high. Opening again. High range, low range. Low range at the bottom. Broke out. As soon as it broke out the bottom, look, it started resisting, came back up, broke out this level. Same thing happened. It went down, straight down, all the way to here. Came back up, look, rejected right on this, which is really nice. It rejected. It came back in, and even we could have used the strategy here. All right, you start off really slow. You wake up late, something happens. You want to use the orb strategy. The low is a low. What was the high? From right here, this would be, because you're looking at this section only. So this would be the high of this prior section. This section broke out the low. It didn't, obviously it didn't break out here, so no. When as soon as it came in here, retouch, came back up, going up. That's the orb strategy. There's really nothing much to it. Opening range, breakout. You use that for any trading you want. Right here, maybe we could probably make a line, a level, because of, yeah, it looks ugly, but I don't know why. It's just this trading view. This is the one. You know what? Let me open up my other one, but I'll show you guys how it works. The paid version. This strategy, I use it. I still use it. I use it a lot, but I got so used to levels that I forgot that I even use this one. Like I literally just get used to it, because I get the low. What I do now is that I get the low of yesterday's close, which will be a bigger level for me, which I'll actually have it like this. But I have micro ranges, micro levels in the middle for scalping. But this also works, like I said, right at the open, the low, close, you get a bigger chance of making profits. It never held. Went down, bounce, rejected, came back to another level. But that's a whole nother video. I'm just trying to show you guys now the orb strategy, how the way you use it, and how it actually works. Breakouts went up again in the morning. Look, opening resistance range breakout. That's what it's called. I'm trying to log into my other account so you guys be able to see when I'm like the wicks more. For some reason, I'm not able to see it here. Let me sign out and sign in to my other trading view. That one's a little more. There you go. You see how it looks different? It switched. Now we're able to see the market hours. There you go. Pre-market high, pre-market low. You will get in as soon as the market open at the high, and there you go. Look, even did a wick for you. That's a $2 move, because it's MU. There broke down, so nothing happened here. Invalid. Now we could look for another one. As I was saying, we could look at any ticker, TLRY. I don't know what the hell. Look, even this ugly stock, we could still do the same thing. High, low, broke out, tried to held. As soon as it went down, that's what happened. It went straight down. Opening range. Oh, this was the high. There you go. Not bad. Didn't even see that one. You see, look. That's why you have to make sure that perfect. Even this counted. Look, somehow this actually counted. You would have had this level. Look, everybody got faked out. Like, see, I would have gotten faked out. So there you go. This actually works. I guess it does work, the candle. And look, reject it. You would wait. You have to wait. You wait patiently, and look, you get what you want. Broke down. You would have made money here. Airbnb, same thing. Okay, this is a little more weirder, right? Okay, so let's get the high. I guess since we saw what happened last time, the high there of the pre-market and after hours intraday trading. There you go, right there. You would want to look at the pre-market. I mean the after hours from yesterday. Opening range high again, high level, and the low range. Low happened, reject it, broke down here, straight down again, straight down to this level. Broke out this one, came back up, retouch. And look what it's doing. It's just staying. If you notice, it stays there the whole day. Look at the day before. Opening range, the high of the range of today, right there, of that day, the pre-market, and the low. Look, pre-market. What happened? Wicked. As soon as it broke out, went up again. There you go. Went up straight to this level. That's a $4 move. Let's look at another one. Let's see. GS financials. Look, pre-day, right? It opened up, never closed. Chop. You want it to close right here, yeah, but that's when your risk management comes in. Let's say you would have gone in there, you get out quick. As soon as you come in, you see it come back inside, you get out. The next day, opening range, pre-market high, pre-market low. Happened. It never went up. Stopped right here. Went down. How much? That was a big move. $15 move straight down to somewhere. Maybe we have a level here, somewhere far away. There you go. Yup. There was a level there. So yeah, you know, this is called the ORB strategy, ORB. The ORB, opening range breakout strategy. Remember, get the high of the pre-market and the low of the pre-market. That's why you have to wake up early. BA. Again, we keep doing BA. I love BA. I don't know why I love it. Amazon. Okay, Apple. Everybody loves Apple. Apple, opening range, pre-market, with the shaded area. Look, as soon as the pre-market started, look what happened. It was a weird ass wick right there. Then one right there. Look, just kept ranging. The whole day it was in between that opening range breakout. And I'm using the 5-minute also. I don't know, I haven't switched from the 5-minute. But you could use the 15-minute. The hourly. Look, you can see it there. 15-minute. Another one here, another one there. What happened? Rejected, went down, held, went straight down. Opening range, pre-market, there, what happened? Didn't break the top, went to the downside. Let's go here. Look, all the levels end up being at the same place. Let's delete everything. Let's go back here. High, low, happened, wicked off, came back down. Would have made profit here, coming straight down. Remember, this is a 15-minute. We switched back to the 1 hour. These are recently too. Let's go to the recent levels just so you guys can see that this would have worked also this Friday that passed by. Right there, pre-market level, high, low. What happened on Friday? We didn't move. We did not move. If you were quick enough, if you go to the 3-minute or 1 minute, you'll be able to find out how it moved. Look, there you go. There's your resistance. If you would have caught a bounce when you're more experienced, you catch the bounce, get up here and sell here. You would have caught a $3 move, reject it, came back down. Another, you play calls, you play puts. Another move here, calls here. You stop your call and then you enter puts all the way there. Didn't do anything. Apple didn't do nothing on Friday. Same thing when I saw Tesla on Friday. I saw Tesla, obviously, with knowing your strategy. You use the ORB. Look what happened right at the day. Close. What will be my entry? And I had called out the level 1058.72. That's where I got my ORB strategy. My entry, I said 1102, and it'll be bullish. It never broke that level. And even if you had your open level, if you don't have that one, you can have a micro level right here at the middle. A micro level. This will be your micro level, your high level. If you're trying to get in, high range. Which I don't really use the medium range. I'd rather just wait patiently until it does a breakout. In the low range, medium range, micro range, whatever you want to call it. I don't use those. It's up to you. Micro range, you could use that at a micro range. Breaks here, it comes here. Hopefully it breaks with volume. It will send it higher. But you got an early entry. But I'd rather just wait this whole level. All right. If you wait it, you wouldn't. Nothing would happen. Look, wait it. 1084. It didn't break. Okay, got wicked off again. Keep going. Okay, now it actually broke down. Low range. You caught this whole move. Literally, look at this big move. You get more experience, you catch the whole rejection. But you have your stop loss, your short position. You're going short. Obviously, you entered there. Your risk reward ratio. Look at that. Opening range, like I said, that. You should wait. That was Friday. AMD, I called it out for Friday also. At the end of the day, I ended up calling puts because I thought it was going to go up. But the market, the way it was looking on the previous video, it wasn't looking as good. So I expected to kind of fall. My level to further breakout was right there. Opening range, like I said, pre-market, the low. Right there, the low and the high. The high right there still stayed high. Low happened, rejected. We were chopping up in the morning. Same thing as Tesla, chopped up in the morning. The first 10 minutes. Yeah, people thought it was going to go up, but I still didn't. I let it be because I didn't like it. So what happened? It broke down. And look, there you go. A whole level down. You got a $5 move on AMD. On 0DT on Friday. It gives you a lot of money. Yeah, look. For 2 days, it was just ranging that. It broke out. And then now we want to. Like I said, we could use a low here. And the high. So now look. We could find these in the 15-minute or somewhere. The 1 hour. The high range and the low. So now for Monday we could expect this to either stay around this area, stay around here, or break down, break up. Simple. But it is used for pre-market, intraday. It's mostly best used in pre-market. There you go. Broke down, broke up. Right there, opening range to the high, range to the low, broke down. Yeah, there's nothing else for me to tell you guys. Just use that strategy. Remember, it's on pre-market. The high, get the high of the pre-market level and the low of the pre-market. 15-minute, 5-minute, 6 minutes, doesn't matter what level you use. You'll be finding. I like using it on the 5-minute and the 15. I'm able to see it more. And you just wait. Just wait for the breakout. Don't get impatient. You're getting patient, you're going to lose. Just wait for the breakout and it'll work out in your favor. Even if you have those levels on the 1 minute, look, I'm going to go back to that same level that I put. Look, 1 minute. High. Where is it? Low. Right? High to low of the pre-market. Then look what happened. Chopped around on the 1 minute. Looks really, it's a lot of candles. Broke down right there. Enter. Look at that big move. Damn, it was huge. I missed this one. But yeah, look, whole move down. Obviously it looked different on the 1 minute, but look, big old move. But yeah, you guys, this is all I could tell you guys. Opening range, resistance, the ORB strategy. Hopefully this helps you guys for Monday. Use it on Monday and watch it help you a lot. This and doing your levels obviously for profit taking and your EMA strategy, everything you use, just add this to your tradings and it'll be really good. All right, so see you guys for Monday. I'll do a pre-market charting again, also what I did. We'll try to do that every day just so you guys can kind of get a idea of how I get into my levels and get out. But this is one of the main uses that I do, ORB strategy. So enjoy, you guys, enjoy your weekend. One more day to go. Don't get desperate and just be patient for this breakout. Remember, high, pre-market, and the low. All right, peace out.